Hello. So I just thought I'd drop in and tell you a little bit about my first book, Mindful Mates. It's selling very well, and I'm really excited to get these tools out there in the community so that you can begin to work on your relationship and make it great. So people are emailing in and asking, do I need to buy 2 copies of the book? Can I just buy 1 copy? How does this work? So I want to make sure that if you're thinking about buying the book, that you understand that it is a workbook. And that's fantastic because there's little bits to read, and then you fill out the blanks right in the book. So of course, if you can't get your partner engaged in this process with you, purchase just 1 book and work through that yourself. Just making small changes in your relationship can make all the difference. In a perfect world, you would have 2 copies and you would both work through this together. Good luck out there.